Hello, everyone, and welcome to Law 4 of the Laws of Indices. We have covered, no, that's not a 4. Uh, we have covered 3 laws so far, and this is going to be our fourth, probably our last. So, here we're going to investigate the case for A. In the last law, we investigate that A to the M to the N is equals to A to the M N, and that AB all to the M would be equal to A to the M, B to the M. Now, what do we do when we have A, B, all to the M? So these two guys now, do we say A to the M over B to the M? Well, if you use the definition for these guys, this is A multiplying by itself. Let me write it full. So M times, of course, M times, and then all over A. No, sorry, this time around is B. This is B. No, this is B, 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 and then and all bit time is M times. And then if you put this into consideration, so this is M times. You find that A has appeared M times, and that B has appeared M times as well. And by the laws of indices, this is true. Now, what we did is that we have actually derived laws on how to operate with index A to the M. The one for product, the one for division, and the rest. There is no law governing A to the M plus A to the N when there is a plus sign here or a minus sign here. Although we can expand it, but that will be in future videos. Now, I would like to add that A to the negative 1, we donate A to the negative 1 to equal 1 over A. And we write 1 over A to the third power, things like this, to be A to the negative 3. So A to the negative M is now 1 over A to the M. And of course, A to the negative M all to the power of, no, that is not a negative N. A to the negative M all to the power of N is A to the negative Mn. And all the laws are hold for negative powers. I mean, for positive powers holds for negative powers as well. So this is the third short law. In the next videos to come, we're going to give several examples on indices as a way of practicing and strengthening our understanding of the concept. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you like my content. Have a nice day.